Good morning. Welcome to Restore with Jocey's relaxation channel. Today, we will practice a short start your day with positive energy meditation, a practice that will help you begin your day with ease and grace. First, find a place where you feel peaceful. Sit nice and tall, lengthening your spine, and relax your hands on your knees with your palms facing the sky. Close your eyes and observe how you feel on this lovely morning. Begin to connect with your body by breathing slowly, inhaling deeply, and exhaling all the air out through your nose. Continue to focus just on your breathing and let your body enter into the lands of stillness. Inhale more positivity into your body and exhale all the strain. Inhale love and exhale all the hate and fears. Inhale calmness and exhale all the anxiety or stress. Set an intention for this day. What do you want to accomplish today? Think about an important thing you need to do and imagine it happening. Visualization is the most powerful tool for manifestation, so stay here relaxed and calm, imagining the important event or thing that you need to accomplish today. Breathe in and out, feeling your belly expand with each breath you take. Stay here and let the energy of this meditation sink into your body. When you feel ready to continue your day, slowly move your toes, then your fingers, and open your eyes. I wish you a magical day filled with blessings, love, and calm.